Assay on dried bases. Importance of assay test in the pharmaceutical industry. An assay test is a crucial analytical procedure used. A. Assay on dried bases. Assay on a dried basis refers to the measurement of the content of a substance in a material after the removal of water and other volatile components. Assay on dried basis equals assay on as is basis divided by open bracket 100 minus LOD by HMB close bracket, then multiplied by 100. Example calculation: 97.65 divided by open bracket 100 minus 1.4 close bracket multiplied by 100 equals 99.03%. This is often used in the pharmaceutical and chemical industries to determine the concentration of a particular compound in a sample.